we can make adjustments for the feeders inside the feeder list window. For example, we go to that feeder, the first feeder. We can adjust the SX feeder, the pour speed, the tip pour speed by clicking on the SX feeder configure button. We can change the pour speed and the pour return speed, and also the SX feeder within threshold. That threshold is the software judges if it needs to pick up the part by this threshold. And also we can adjust the feeder punch location in these fields, like the X tab makes the punch location goes to the left or right, and the Y tab makes the punch goes to the front or back. That's where we also sometimes we may need to adjust the compressor to make the punch go stronger or weaker. Normally it's better to make it weaker, so then we don't get as much vibration. Also, in this group we can adjust the pickup speed, the part place speed. Also there's a soft Z limit, so that's for safety. We don't want the Z get too much down to press the needle. Also the Z release speed is when the part is placed. Then we use this slower speed to let the Z move up a little bit slower, then the part will not be sucked up. The blow delay is when the part is placed, it blows some air to make sure the part is off the nozzle tip. Then we can also add some peak delay to make sure the vacuum reaches the part. Also for test also set up feeders, we can use the tip height to let it use a slower speed so you can see the pickup process more clearly. For the computer vision working properly, we have to set up the the video steps properly. Like we have the video one, that's the down looking camera step size. Also we have the up-looking camera step size. If these step size not set up properly, then the computer vision will not work very well. Normally you can tell if the computer vision, the step size is set up good or not by looking at the on-screen display. Let's try one, like let's try the home mark. We move off from the center, then we use the test vision button to test the computer vision process. See, we on the on-screen information you can see the X and Y at first goes to one direction, then it may keep going to the same direction. If it keeps going to the same direction several times, that means the step size is too small. If it if it changes directions all the time, that means the step size is too big. Normally we make the step size a little bit smaller than the correct value.